Welcome! In this video, we will learn to use the More Details option to add specific information in a transaction without enabling the settings. It is convenient and clutter-free, as information recorded using More Details is limited to that voucher and these fields do not appear in other transactions. For example, a local trader is making a one-off interstate sales where he needs to capture dispatch details for future reference. Now, he can do this without enabling dispatch details configuration. Just go to More Details and record information like document number, dispatch through, destination, carrier name, motor vehicle number, etc. It has more to it. You can provide descriptions for the items that are already recorded in a transaction. More Details will help you to choose the item and provide description without navigating to the item. Also, you can instantly provide narration for a voucher with the help of More Details without navigating to the narration field. In TallyPrime, all your ad hoc information can be recorded without enabling any setting, and it will be local to that particular transaction. For more information, visit help.tallysolutions.com.